guys, Aniket here. If you're planning to come to Czech Republic and you're unsure that how to apply for a tourist visa, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I will be giving you step-by-step guide to apply for Czech Tourist Visa from India. Let's get started. First, Czech Republic is a part of Schengen area, and if you guys are applying from India, then you need Schengen visa. This visa will allow you to travel 27 countries of the Schengen area for up to 90 days of 180 days period. Make sure you are applying for short stay visa or C-type visa for tourism purposes. But make sure you apply for at least 15 days before your travel date and no more than 6 months in advance. Now let's look at the documents you need for your Czech visa. You need to be very careful with this part as this might reject your visa. Number 1. Visa application form. You can download the form from Embassy of Czech Republic or the VFS Global website. Make sure to fill it out completely and accurately. Number 2. Passport. Your passports need to be valid for at least 3 months after your intended departure from Schengen area. It should have at least 2 blank pages and must have been issued under last 10 years. Photographs. You will need 2 recent passport size photographs with white background. The size should be 35mm by 45mm. Proof of travel. This includes flight reservations and detailed travel itinerary for Prague, showing your planned dates and locations. Accommodation proof. You will need proof of accommodation like hotel bookings or invitation letter if someone is hosting you in Prague. Travel insurance. You must have travel insurance with at least 30,000 euro coverage with medical emergency. The insurance must be valid for the entire Schengen area. Proof of financial means. You need to show that you have enough money to cover your stay. Typically, you should have at least 110 euros per day of your stay. Bank statements for the last 3 to 6 months works the best. Cover letter. Write a cover letter explaining the purpose of your visit, your travel plans, and how you plan to fund your trip. Proof of civil status. You might also need to submit documents like marriage certificate or birth certificate depending on your situation. Employment status. If you are employed, get a no objection certificate from your employer along with the leave approval letter. If you are a self-employed, you will need your business registration documents, and if you are a student, you will need letter from your school or university. Once all the documents are ready, you need to take an appointment at VFS Global. You can find the appointment booking option on the VFS Global website. Select the nearest location, whether it is New Delhi, Mumbai or other major cities, and schedule your appointment. Now, on the day of your appointment, visit VFS Global Center and submit all the documents. At the appointment, you will need to submit your application. Provide the biometric data, that's the fingerprints and the photo. Pay the visa fee, which is 80 euro for adults or about 7,000 rupees and 40 euros for children between 6 to 12 years old. Don't forget, there is additional service fee of 1,000 and 2,000 rupees at VFS Global Center. After your application is submitted, you will get a tracking number. Use this to check your application status on VFS Global website. The usual processing time is 50 calendar days, but sometimes it might take little bit longer, so plan accordingly. Once your visa is processed, you can either collect your passport from VFS Global Center or have it delivered via courier. If everything goes well, you will find your visa stamped inside the passport. Before you leave, make sure you take copies of your visa, passport and travel document, and that's it. You are ready to apply for tourist visa for Czech Republic. If you guys find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Sometimes I put some important Czech Republic related information on my Instagram channel, so make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.